Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my simple color grading workflow by using Cinema Grade and Leeming Lut. As you can see, all the footage in the timeline are shot with Panasonic GH5 with HLG profile. Therefore, I'm going to convert it from HLG Rec 2020 to Rec 709 to gain more dynamic range like Vlog camera profile. If you don't know how to convert the footage from HLG to Rec 709, you can check out my previous video above. So, after organized all the footage, I apply Leeming Lut's HLG to Rec 709 into the camera LUT in the info inspector. Then, I select all the footage and apply Cinema Grade to every footage. After that, I open up the plugin from the video inspector. First, I apply the Leeming Lut Pro cookies as a base LUT layer. Next, I start editing the first footage based on the video scope below. Since they are all shot in the same location with the same lighting, so I can group them together in the shot matching section with color mark. Then, I move to the group matching sections to copy the hero shot adjustment and paste all to the other shot. After that, I go back to the basic adjustment section to have some minor adjustments. This will save ton of my time in color correction. Actually, you can color grade all the footage to suit your taste in basic adjustment section and shot matching all your footage. To save my time, I apply Artist Creator LUTs to have the color I like with about 20% opacity. With this plugin and LUTs, I can color grade my footage in a simple and fast way. I am interested to know how you color grade your footage too. If you have any problems, please feel free to leave a comment below. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like and share to your friends. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel with a ring bell. This will help me to grow my channel. Thank you for watching.